welcome back to another video. So, hang on. I haven't posted for how long now? Probably about 3 weeks. I'm sorry for the guys. I've got a cold. And today, got these little kid handcuffs. Right? The little, oh sorry guys if you see it wobbling, I'm on my bed. Got these little kids handcuffs, right? And they're pretty cheap. They're $10 on eBay. So they're pretty strong metal. They're really strong. Hang on guys. Can you guys like and subscribe? And yeah, so I might post a video about baseball maybe. Depends. And I've got these little kid handcuffs. The only problem with kid handcuffs, guys, well, there's two problems with kid handcuffs. Is this comes out. Tanner? Oh, I thought my dog's in here. So, Tanner! You gonna be in my vid? Tanner. So, the only problem with this, guys, is this comes off, if you can see. This little piece here comes out. And this little piece inside, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's one of those things. The thing comes off and goes, zzz, click. Yep. And yeah, so that's all about the handcuffs, and got these lever on them. Oh, they're pretty strong handcuffs, and you've got this lever on them. You can pull the lever and it lets go of them. And yeah. Oh, the second problem is when you reload it, it misses, so you have to put it in there. And yeah, and then, hang on guys, I will be right back. I'm just going to go get something. Okay guys, I'm back. So, we've got this. If you guys don't know what it is a laser. I found this. I suggest you don't buy these because they're really dangerous. And they can blind your eyes. Oh, can't get it open. Okay, got it. Right, and then we've got the Big Mama. My dad bought me, well, he bought this with his money. It's cost him $50. Oh shit, I shouldn't do that. Got this Big Mama. It's really huge. It comes with keys. You can lock it. It's a laser 300. 103 or 301. And it pretty sure it can burn stuff. Don't know guys, let's find out. This is gonna I'm gonna regret this, guys. Okay. Oh, I can't keep still. Ooh, I feel a little pain. Oh Jesus, guys! Oh, Tenny, hello. You can see her. Oh my God, that burnt my hand. Ouch! I'm not playing with that again. I keep seeing purple things. So, got the B80s batteries. And guys, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to end the video here. Turn up. So guys, I'm gonna have to end it here. Okay, again, hopefully you like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and hashtag Josh Folds. Okay, and see you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.